Hi, it's Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I'm here with my Allure beauty box. I'm not thrilled. Can you tell? I'm going to go through this box and I'll show you everything inside and let me know what you thought if you get this box, what you thought of it. I only have 2 months left where I'll be getting this box, and so anyway, this is what I see when I open the box. There's always a beautiful girl on the cover. The little magazine tells you, oh, and this is, by the way, for those who don't know, the price increased for the original Allure beauty box, which used to be $15. Seems like it was a better box back then. And now it is $23. So for $2 more, you could actually get 5 full-size products by going with either BoxyCharm or Ipsy. They only give you 3 full-size, and one of them that they quoted as full-size so totally does not look full-size to me, but anyway, well, that's beside the point. So first thing on the top is, this is good because you can see I have nail wraps on. They're actually growing out. So this is a $30 gift certificate to get nail wraps from Mani Me. So that's a good one. Then another full-size item is this Saturday Skin Peel. Let me just see what the book says about this stuff. Okay. And I'll need my glasses for that. It's a Rub-a-Dub refining peel gel. And according to the book, it says Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub refining peel gel. Tried enough, blah blah blah, vitamin A and C, blah 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 blah. Makes my skin appear more radiant, something I desperately need. But the best part, but the best part might be the application process. As I rub it in circular motions around my face, I can see some dead skin cells coming off along with the product, which is so darn satisfying. From a science perspective, those are not skin cells that you're seeing. It's actually product. Skin cells are microscopic, and unless you have something like psoriasis, you still can't see actual skin cells. They're microscopic. You need a microscope to see actual skin cells. So I don't know how I feel about this. I might start trading again because I got stuff in my Ipsy bag that I might want to trade, and I don't know that I want to keep this. I don't know. If any of you have used this before, I wish it wasn't so dark. It's like stormy out, and I have lights on, but I feel like they're not enough. But if any of you have any experience with this stuff, let me know if it was a good experience. Okay, so the next thing that's supposedly full size is this blush duo. This little tiny blush duo. I'm not a fan of blush duos. I'm not going to try not to wreck the box. Okay, so this is a blush duo from Beauty Crop, which actually is a pretty nice brand. But this is it. It has a cream and a powder, and neither of them will suit me. They're super pink looking, and I can just see the powder going straight into the cream because there's no cover over it at all. So I'm going to just put this in trade because honestly, I will never use it. It's not even the right color tones for me. The rest of the stuff is travel size / sample size, and this little tiny, I do like beauty sponges, but this is a little teeny tiny thing that I think would be most useful around the nose and the eyes. So I'm kind of happy with that. It's not a full-size sponge. I guess they have a bigger sponge, but you know what? I will use this. I have a container of sponges and I don't have a lot of little sponges. The next thing is, oh, it's lipstick. All right, this is the one thing that I was excited about. Let me get to the lipstick page. Here it is. And I think this might actually be a full size, but I'm not positive. This is True and Luscious Super Moist Lipstick. Cruelty-free and vegan. It's in this little box. I remember seeing the cover. It's called Vintage Rose. And I remember thinking, oh, that's right up my alley. Yeah, this I think is a full size. I'll let you know down below. Anyway, this Good Clean Glam, it says. Wow. And this is a gorgeous color. It's like a slightly brick red, not like a like a bright red. It's like a brick color almost. It's actually my favorite type of color. There's one more thing in here, and I can't read this to save my life. I did try, so I'm gonna have to open the book and find it here. Okay, so this is L'Occitane Immortelle Reset and a bunch of French. It says, let's see, just give me the bottom line. They like to do these like, I should use this here, I mean, blah, blah. Just give me the bottom line. Just bottom line it for me. And there's something missing, but maybe not. So this is by L'Occitane. It is a shiny looking oil. It says, let's see, formula sinks in quickly, makes my skin soft and bright overnight, contains organic Immortelle Essential oil. The same key ingredient as the cream version below. So I guess you could have gotten one or the other, because I did not get that. I didn't get the cream, the sample cream. So I don't know if something's missing or what. So I have to check the website and see if maybe I was supposed to get the cream also, the sample, because I was pretty sure I was supposed to. Damn, you know, it's funny is I did call them and told them, please take me off of the automatic reload on these things, because honestly, I'm not a huge fan of this box anymore. I used to really love this box, but I don't really love it anymore. Let me see if I can stand up this stuff. I do like the lipstick, which was one of the reasons I didn't do a skip. Apparently you can skip a month. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see that stuff. So let's see if I can just... Oh, my lighting is so poor. It's raining and nasty out and it's late. I'm not thrilled. Honestly, I could have lived without all of this. Except maybe that lipstick, which looks really nice. But I'm a fool for lipstick, and I'm sure I have a lipstick that's like similar color somewhere in my lipsticks. I did do a lipstick chopping block, so, you know, I'll mention, see if I can put that in the eyes. Alright, so, I don't know. I'm really torn. The Mani Me, that's good. Yeah, I like that. I think the lipstick might be full size, and I think everything else is sample size. Now, just as an added bonus, I'm going to throw on my Walmart beauty box, because I got this also. Now, I received an email from Walmart that said that one of the products that was destined for my box was out of stock. So their message said, we substituted something else and we think you'll be so happy. If anybody's in the, I think it's classic box, you know, for people who are not 25 years old. If anybody's in the classic box, please let me know. I think it's the hand sanitizer that they put in. So it's really frustrating. Oh, there's a bio oil sample in there. All right, so I do use these toothpastes, so I'm always happy to get these. And they're the Colgate Optic White. And there's a Vital Protein drink packet. So I will have to look at what it says for that. This is the booklet that shows everything that's in a variety of boxes. And according to this is Vital Protein Strawberry Lemon Beauty Collagen. I don't believe that crap. A lot of people are like, oh, swallow your collagen, it will make your skin better. No, it actually won't. And this is just an ad, no coupon for the toothpaste. Now, the other things in here are bio oil dry skin gel. I'll probably put this in a trade to somebody. Another Cetaphil face cream. I already got one of these in another box. Number 7, Retinol 1.5 complex. In this little box. It's probably a teeny tiny thing. Yes, it is. It's a teeny tiny tube. And the most useful thing, though, is the hand sanitizer. Although I don't go out, so when I do start going out, when the world becomes more normal, then I'll probably be using that all the time. So, you know, I'm sorry to be a sourpuss, but honestly, you guys, seriously, $23. This was free, $5 shipping. Honestly, I could have lived without both of these boxes this month. That's why they've been sitting on my end table for a few days. So, not great. So, anyway. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got something different in your box, please let me know. I always like to hear what other people got. Some people may have gotten that L'Occitane cream. I'm not sure if we were supposed to get both or just one or the other, but anyway, let me know if you got anything different, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I am honest reviewer. I'm not going to be like, oh, it's all, look at this, is that, because I've watched people like that, and I actually stop following them because I get annoyed. Just tell the truth, you know, so anyway, the truth is that neither of these boxes were really that impressive, although I will use the hand sanitizer, and I will use that toothpaste, and I will use everything in here, and I will order myself a nice set of nails. So anyway, thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.